Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Land Rover Defender updated. Start by defining build goals and intended use, then set a realistic budget and timeline. Inspect donor vehicles for rust, engine condition, and frame damage to avoid surprises. Prioritize safety upgrades and plan suspension, brakes, and drivetrain work. Organize parts, manuals, and workspace before starting, and schedule key milestones to track progress. Gather a donor vehicle with a sound chassis and a reliable engine, and verify title and paperwork before purchase. Create a prioritized parts list, starting with brakes, steering, suspension, and seat belts for safety. Consider modern bolt-in upgrades for comfort and reliability, while keeping the build reversible if required by regulations. Verify parts compatibility and order extras for wear items to avoid project delays during assembly and testing. Strip the donor to a rolling shell and inspect the frame, then plan drivetrain swaps or rebuilds based on your goals and budget. Recondition or replace suspension, steering, and brake systems with period-correct or improved modern components for reliability. Rewire the vehicle with a clear schematic, new harnesses, and a modern fuse box to prevent electrical gremlins. Test systems progressively and document every change for future troubleshooting and maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.